How to invite anyone to your event on LinkedIn. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your preferred web application and get logged into your LinkedIn account. Now go on to the event that you are planning to organize, or you can just search the name of the event and click on to enter. From these given options, click on to Events and select your event. Scroll below, then you will see Attend, and underside you will see Share. Expand the option of Share. You can either share this event in your Messenger or copy the link. Other option involves Twitter and Facebook. For today's video, let's go ahead and copy the link. And once you copy the link, you can go on to messaging on your top bar. Type in the name of the person that you would like to invite for that event. Simply paste the link that you copied, and that way they will be able to join that event. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe.